Close your eyes, baby. Close your eyes, feel the waves in degrees, baby. Feel the breeze in the skies on the road, baby. Can you roll where you are? Said you my baby. Come get these vibes, baby.
Look, come and hop and let's ride. Girl, I take you down the west. Recline your seat and unwind. Girl, I can do the rest. Let me get to you, ooh baby. You so wavy, that breeze up in your hair. You break it down and you roll it up and you blowing up in the air. Trendsetting by what you wearing. That outfit deserve a proper staring. That Marc Jacobs, that Donna Karan. You get it, you with it, I know. Yo, complexion is golden, you glow. Rubbing your hands, girl, you holding the globe. Next to your bag, Birkin in fact. Plus you just stacking that money to blow. However you get it, I don't need to know. Walking the strip like you're running the coast. Holding it down when I'm on the road. You the most beautiful woman I know. Girl, gon' throw your baggage on me. How you get all of that in them jeans? When you see us strutting them streets, girl, just understand that that's me, that's me.
Close your eyes, baby. Close your eyes, feel the waves in degrees, baby. Feel the breeze in the skies on the road, baby. Can you roll where you are? Said you my baby. Come get these vibes.
Birth was 26 hours in labor pain. I knew he was a devil child, like literally devil child. Devil child, but he's the love of my life, and happy birthday, baby. What's me gonna look today? You got back from all the years that you hated me, right?
Happy birthday, babe. I do love you with all my heart. This is a little too much for daddy, but you know, I'm enjoying it, taking in the sunset. But my wish for you is just to enjoy life and live it to your fullest, okay? I love you, baby.
Happy birthday to my big brother, my biggest bully. The only person in the world who can make me feel like shit, but also feel loved at the same time. I love you and congrats on all that you've accomplished. Happy 30th. I am so happy to have you as my big brother.
More than anything, this has been the toughest year of my life. I'll tell you right now, this has been the toughest year of my life. And I am so blessed, so happy that I have all you guys here with me tonight, because honestly, I didn't know that I had friends like this. And having friends like this, it's a blessing.
This is your idea.
So, fuck all this. Let's go! How about Mom and Dad? Come on, Mom and Dad!
We love you. Happy birthday, bro!
Happy birthday!
Let's go!
Can you roll where you are? Said you my baby. Come get these vibes, baby. Come get these vibes, baby. Vibe to vibe. Come take